Hey, what's going on, guys? Alright, so as you can see here, I have another item in, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it right now. Alright, let me set the camera down to give me two hands to use and not just one. Alright, let's see what we got here. ARK, if I'm not mistaken, switching power supply. Alright. Oh, sorry about that. Give me one more second, guys. Alright, so this is the P4-500 watt SATA power supply, made in China. Alright, go ahead and open this baby up. Comes with the power supply cord, or power cord I should say. And here it is. And if you guys are curious as to why I bought another power supply, the reason is because the other one I purchased, the seller on eBay falsely advertised it, meaning that it's actually not compatible with the Dell XPS 420 PC. And I let the seller know, and he or she apologized and said, okay, I'll give you a refund, which he or she did. And I bought one that, and I did a bit, pardon me, and I did a bit more research on the Dell XPS 420 from 2007 as far as what power supplies will fit. And apparently this one right here is the one. It needs to have these right here. As you can see, these two line thingies, whatever it's called really, and these over here on the side too. So you can see right there, KY-ATX 500, which means 500 watts, obviously. Okay. All right. So the reason why I got this 500 watt power supply is so it can fit my graphic card that I purchased and am yet to install, because that one recommends a minimum of 475 watt power supply. So I said, why not just go with a 500 watt power supply? All right, and here's the on and off switch, by the way. All right. So, there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think about that. Thank you guys for checking this out. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, rate, share, enjoy, as you guys never know when I'm going to have another item coming in or what have you. And again, I would not want you guys to miss that. So make sure you guys go ahead and do all the above, and I'll gladly get to you guys soon. Alright? And that's all she wrote.